Welcome to the Organizedpreneur Podcast, the show for creators who are tired of the chaos. I'm your host, Aldreama Harper. My mission is simple: to help you stop being an overworked podcast host and start operating like a podcast CEO. So whether you're drowning in admin work or trying to scale your business without burning out, you are in the right place. We talk systems, workflows, and the strategies you need to reclaim your time. It's time to stop grinding and start operating. Let's get to work. So what if I told you that you could finish your entire month of podcasting, recording, editing, writing, and scheduling in a single afternoon? I know that sounds impossible, right? But that's because you're probably working in a circle, whereas I work in a straight line. Hi there, I am Aldreama Harper, and this is the Organizedpreneur Podcast. Let's get your business in order. So most people do this. They record, then they edit, then they write, then they publish. Then they repeat the same thing next week or the following week. And this is what I call the circle of death, because this context switching is what kills your brain. So the new way to do this is what I call the assembly line. So I built a digital assembly line with 5 phases. Phase 1 is guest management, where I batch all of my bookings. Phase 2 is the production, where I record 4 episodes back to back. Phase 3 is the AI lab. And this, my friend, is the secret sauce. I don't write, I process. So I have a question for you. How long do you spend writing your show notes for your last episode? 30 minutes? An hour? What if I told you you could do this in 15 seconds? Well, you can, because I created a free PDF called the One-Click Show Notes Generator. It is the exact prompt code that I use to turn a transcript into SEO-optimized titles, summaries, and social posts instantly. Stop staring at the blank screen. Go to organizedpreneur.io.page/site and steal my workflow for free. Okay, let's get back. So in phase 3, I use a specific set of AI prompts to do 90% of the heavy lifting for me. I feed the transcript in, and the system spits out the titles, show notes, and emails, and social clips. I don't create, I curate. And this allows me to produce 4 episodes in the time it used to take me to do just 1. So next week, I'm going to open up the floodgates. I'm going to show you under the hood the exact tools that I use to run the assembly line. And yes, I'm going to share the templates with you. Go grab the free prompt. Go to the site, organizedpreneur.io.page/site to get a taste of the automation. And I'll see you next week. Have an amazing day. Well, that's a wrap for this week. Remember, listening to strategy is great, but installing it is where the freedom happens. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building your own digital assembly line, head on over to the website. The link is in the show notes. You'll get the resources we talked about today. And until next time, I want to leave you with the foundation of everything that we do. From 1 Corinthians 14:40, let all things be done decently and in order. Go build your system, and I'll see you next time on the Organizedpreneur Podcast.
roadmap, mission control.